Okay guys, so Hannah's just gone through. She's gone to pick up her first rabbit. This is Hannah's first ever rabbit she's shot. She's pissing it. It's a good shot that, Han bowled it straight over. I'm proud of that shot.
Not a massive rabbit, but...
That's a nice fair sized rabbit, Han. Is it clean?
Yeah.
Nice, clear eyes.
Oh, covered in fleas there.
Yeah, that's not to worry.
Riddled with them.
Yeah, we'll just not take that one in the garden. I've got a knife on me so we can skin it and everything before we take it in the garden.
Time of the year though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good rabbit that.
Nice clean rabbit.
No mixie, considering we've had mixie as well.
What cartridge was that with?
Clear pigeon.
Was it clear pigeon or a pigeon extreme?
Pigeon extreme.
Good shot.
Maybe a slightly heavy shot for...
No, at that range, Han, it was a good shot. Cracking. Thumbs up.